The year 2025 marks a turning point for China's People's Liberation Army Air Force, or PLAAF. The PLAAF's mission now extends far beyond defending land. It's about dominating the skies over the seas. China's leaders are focused on protecting vital shipping lanes and maritime interests, making a powerful modern air force essential. The new strategy centers on long-range operations, advanced aircraft, and seamless teamwork. This transformation is more than new planes. It's a shift in mindset and capability. China is investing heavily in technology, training, and a mix of stealth fighters, bombers, and support aircraft. The goal: a strategic air force that can project power far from home. By 2025, the PLAAF is not just large, it's technologically advanced and confident over the East and South China Seas. New aircraft and skilled pilots signal China's commitment to maritime security. This video will explore the key aircraft, technology, and training that define this new era. We'll see how these elements combine to give China unprecedented control over its surrounding seas. Welcome to the dawn of China's air power at sea. The Chengdu J-20, or Mighty Dragon, is the crown jewel of China's Air Force. As a fifth-generation stealth fighter, it's nearly invisible to enemy radar, perfect for surprise and survival. Its sleek, angular design and internal weapon bays keep it hidden and deadly. The J-20's Super Cruise engines let it patrol vast ocean areas quickly, without burning extra fuel. Inside, pilots use advanced touchscreens and helmet displays for total battlefield awareness. Over the sea, the J-20 acts as a silent hunter, tracking enemy warships and high-value aircraft. Armed with long-range missiles, it can strike threats before they get close to China's fleets. The J-20's presence over maritime zones is a clear message. China can control the air wherever it chooses. Constant upgrades in engines, sensors, and software keep the J-20 at the cutting edge. By 2025, it's a mature, formidable weapon, China's answer to the world's best fighters. The Mighty Dragon is more than a plane, it's a symbol of China's rise as a top air power. Its dominance in the skies marks a new chapter for the PLAAF. The Shenyang J-16, or Flying Shark, is the PLAAF's versatile workhorse. This multi-role fighter excels at both air-to-air combat and striking targets on land or sea. Based on a Russian design but upgraded with Chinese tech, it features advanced radar and electronics. With a two-person crew, the J-16 can handle complex missions and heavy weapon loads, over 12 tons. It's armed with anti-ship missiles, air-to-air missiles, and precision bombs, making it a true flying arsenal. In maritime operations, J-16S can launch coordinated anti-ship attacks from long range, flying low to avoid detection. Its AESA radar scans for ships even in bad weather, giving it independent targeting power. The J-16's long range and endurance make it ideal for patrolling and defending China's coastline and islands. It can quickly switch from defense to attack, adapting to any threat over the sea. The Flying Shark's combination of power, flexibility, and technology makes it a dominant force in maritime airspace. The Xi'an H-6N is China's premier long-range strategic bomber, reborn with modern upgrades. Its air-to-air refueling probe lets it fly thousands of miles into the Pacific, projecting power far from home. The H-6N's specialty is carrying massive long-range missiles, including air-launched ballistic missiles and anti-ship cruise missiles. These carrier killers can threaten enemy fleets from a safe distance, creating no-go zones for adversaries. In a conflict, a single H-6N can launch devastating strikes against high-value naval targets. The bomber operates as part of a network escorted by J-20S and J-16S, and guided by real-time data from satellites and drones. This integration ensures precise, coordinated attacks and maximum survivability. The H-6N's reach and firepower make it a game-changer in maritime strategy. Its presence forces enemy navies to rethink their movements near China's coast. The H-6N is a clear signal. China can strike far and fast, deterring potential threats. Its development marks a new era in China's long-range strike capability. The H-6N is central to China's vision of sea control. China's air power in 2025 relies heavily on advanced drones. The WZ-7 Soaring Dragon, a high-altitude long-endurance drone, provides persistent surveillance over vast ocean areas. Equipped with powerful radars and cameras, it monitors shipping lanes, foreign military activity, and disputed islands. Real-time intelligence from drones gives commanders a constant, accurate picture of the maritime battlefield. Attack drones like the GJ-11 Sharpsword add a stealthy strike capability, able to hit enemy ships or radar sites undetected. Drones can perform long, risky missions that would be dangerous for human pilots. Swarming technology allows groups of drones to overwhelm enemy defenses, changing the nature of modern warfare. By 2025, drones are fully integrated with manned aircraft, enhancing both surveillance and offensive power. This unmanned edge gives the PLAAF unmatched persistence and flexibility over the sea. Drones are now a vital pillar of China's maritime air dominance. Advanced aircraft are only as effective as the pilots who fly them. The PLAAF has overhauled its training, selecting top candidates and pushing them through rigorous, realistic programs. Trainees start on basic planes, then move to advanced jet trainers like the JL-10, which mimic frontline fighter cockpits. High-tech simulators create lifelike combat scenarios, letting pilots practice tactics and emergencies safely. Large-scale exercises like the Golden Helmet competition pit pilots against each other in tough, unscripted battles. Special training for maritime missions includes long-distance flights, ship detection, and air-to-air refueling. The focus is on developing adaptable, quick-thinking pilots who can handle the pressures of modern air combat. These exercises are demanding, pushing pilots to innovate and excel. By 2025, China's pilots are among the world's best, skilled, creative, and ready for any challenge. They are the true heart of China's growing air power. Modern air power is all about integration and teamwork. The PLAAF connects fighters, bombers, drones, and support planes through secure data networks for instant information sharing. The KJ-500 airborne early warning aircraft acts as a flying command post, detecting threats and directing operations over vast distances. In a typical mission, drones spot enemy fleets, the KJ-500 coordinates the response, and J-20S and J-16S execute the attack. Real-time updates let pilots strike from the best positions, maximizing effectiveness and surprise. This system of systems approach combines the stealth of the J-20, the firepower of the J-16, and the vision of the KJ-500. Integration extends to the PLA Navy and Rocket Force, creating a multi-layered defense and attack network. The result, a force that can monitor, defend, and strike across huge maritime areas. Teamwork and data sharing make the PLAAF far more effective than any single aircraft could be. This integrated approach is the backbone of China's new air power at sea. It's what makes the whole greater than the sum of its parts. The PLAAF's modernization is built on cutting-edge technology in radars, missiles, and stealth. AESA radars on fighters and early warning planes scan faster, track more targets, and resist jamming, crucial for sea control. These radars give pilots superior awareness, even in bad weather or rough seas. China's missile arsenal includes the long-range PL-15 for air combat and the supersonic YJ-12 for anti-ship strikes. The H-6N can even launch air-launched ballistic missiles, a rare and powerful capability. Stealth is the crown jewel. The J-20 and GJ-11 drone are designed to evade detection, and new missiles use stealthy shapes and materials. This tech allows the PLAAF to see farther, strike from a distance, and remain unseen. The combination of advanced radars, long-range missiles, and stealth gives China a decisive edge in any maritime conflict. It's a technological leap that redefines air power in the region. By 2025, the PLAAF has become a modern, formidable force focused on sea power. Advanced aircraft, drones, and networked operations give China control over vital sea lanes and maritime security. Realistic training and cutting-edge technology have produced some of the world's best pilots and most capable systems. The rise of China's air power challenges the old balance in the Asia-Pacific, forcing other nations to rethink their strategies. The PLAAF's ability to protect fleets and threaten adversaries at long range changes the strategic equation. This new strength ensures China's defense and reshapes the region's security landscape. The transformation from a land-based force to a strategic sea-dominating air power is one of the century's most significant military shifts. China's new era of air power is here, and it's changing the game at sea.